Here are 5 places and natural phenomena that scientists are yet to explain. At number 5 is the Devil's Kettle Waterfall. The Devil's Kettle Waterfall, located in Minnesota, USA, looks like a beautiful waterfall and seems nothing wrong with it, until you notice that there are 2 sections of the falls. One falls leads to the water surface and the other disappears behind the rocks. To figure out where the water is ending up, scientists have added natural dye to the water, and the dye never showed up on the surface of the lake. Then they put hundreds of ping pong balls in the waterfall and none of them were to be seen. This says that the water ends up somewhere under the surface, but should come up somewhere. On number 4 is the Stonehenge. The Stonehenge in the Salisbury Plain in Wiltshire, England, is made from a bunch of horizontal and vertical rocks weighing about 37 tons. The question is that how the people working to build the structure managed to lift rocks so heavy. Scientists estimate they may have done it by moving the stones on logs as wheels and then lift the stone using ropes. Number 3 is the Boiling River. As the name suggests, the boiling river in the Amazon rainforest is boiling. It is so hot, reaching up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If any animal or a human being slips and falls into the river, well, the creature is boiled alive. The crazy thing about this river, which confuses scientists, is that from where does the heat get into the river, even though there is no active volcano miles from the river? Scientists estimate that the hot geothermal waters pour in from cracks in the earth, heating the temperature. But this theory has yet to be scientifically proven. At number 2 is the Moville Cave. Moville Cave in Meghalaya has its own ecosystem and atmosphere similar to another planet. This cave was in complete darkness for about 5.5 million years. Scientists carved out an opening to the cave and found a sustained ecosystem inside. Scientists have also found a lake of sulfuric water. The air was filled with hydrogen sulfide and 100 times more carbon dioxide than the entire Earth has. The air is completely toxic. Even though this kind of ecosystem, this cave has 33 species that can't be found anywhere on Earth. At number 1 is Western Venezuela. Normal lightning storms last a while, but In western Venezuela, there is a lightning storm that seems to be running on batteries as it just keeps going on. Every day when the clock strikes 7 p.m., the lightning storm starts and continues till 10 hours. One night in 2010, the storm suddenly stopped in the middle of the night and didn't return for 6 weeks. If you learned something new today, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel.